wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best pizza peels. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Checkered Chef Folding sports a smooth stainless steel paddle that's both sturdy and easy to clean. It also comes in handy for lifting baked goods like cakes and tarts, and its folding handle makes for convenient compact storage. A rubber grip prevents slippage, and it doubles as a turner for barbecues. However, it is heavy at almost 2 pounds. At number 9, you can transfer your pies and breads with ease with the Heritage Products Acacia, thanks to its thin tapered edge. Its hard-wearing wood surface can withstand extreme heat without warping or cracking. It's 14 inches wide, and the sanded design prevents splintering, but the handle is a bit short. Coming in at number 8 on our list, whether it's cutting, carrying, or serving you need help with, the solid bamboo construction of the Frederica Premium is up to the task. It's available in multiple sizes and won't flex, and features an attractive laser-engraved logo. It's eco-friendly and sustainable, and also works as a cheese board, though it is somewhat narrow. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pizza peels, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Ironwood Gourmet Napoli offers both an extra wide grip and a slanted edge to ensure the easy transfer of foods. It's sourced from dense acacia wood that's resistant to bacteria, and the manufacturer plants new trees to replace the ones it harvests. It includes a grommet for hanging storage and is affordably priced, but it does require periodic oil treatments. Moving up our list to number 6. With a commercial-grade aluminum paddle and a handsome natural pinewood handle, the Pomodoro Luxury is as attractive as it is functional. It's well suited for removing delicate baked goods from the oven, such as pies, pastries, and cakes. It's a sleek minimalist design, and the handle folds flat for storage. It comes in a gift box. Halfway up our list at number 5. The surface of the Epicurean slate is made from compressed layers of non-porous wood fiber composite. This allows it to withstand temperatures of up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so it can also serve as a trivet for hot pots and pans. It features a beveled front edge and can be cleaned in the dishwasher. It's available in several colors. At number 4, made from environmentally friendly and ethically sourced bamboo, the Pizza Royale has a naturally non-toxic and antimicrobial build. It can double as a cutting board for vegetables or cheese, and is durable enough to stand up well against sharp knives. The contoured handle is easy to hold, and it's also sold in a kid size. It comes with a 180-day satisfaction guarantee. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. What sets the Exo Super Pro apart from most others is its patented built-in conveyor belt that allows for effortless transfer of your pie or bread dough. It's made in New York from locally sourced hardwood and is resistant to warping and splitting. It features a food-safe polymer seal, and there are helpful instructional videos online. It was endorsed by America's Test Kitchen. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pizza peels, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, whether you're making your pie on the grill or in the oven, the Weber 6691 will slide beneath it easily and help transport it safely to the table. It's made with a convenient hanging loop, and the handle folds inward over the paddle so it takes up little storage space. It's equipped with a sturdy non-slip grip and is a tough stainless steel construction that's backed by a 2-year warranty. And taking the top spot on our list, the durable honey can-do aluminum can accommodate any freshly baked pie, bread, or pastry with ease. Its handle is reinforced and triple riveted for stability, and is long enough to help you reach into the oven safely. It won't collapse under heavy loads and is available in 2 sizes. It's made in the USA. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pizza peels, or simply click beneath this video.